Hello everyone, this is Helga and let's study English together. This lesson is about a very important question. Have you ever? Let's learn this question together. It is B1 level. We use have you ever when we want to ask someone about their experiences in life or when we want to ask if they have done something at least once in their lifetime. The rule is have you ever plus verb third form. If you don't know what is verb first, verb second and verb third form, please watch this video, regular verbs and irregular verbs. Let's practice. Buy a pair of designer jeans. Can you write the question? The correct question is, have you ever bought a pair of designer jeans? And the answer is, yes I have or no I haven't. Number 2. Read the book in English. What's the question? Do you know? The correct question is, have you ever read a book in English? Yes I have, no I haven't. Number 3. Drink champagne. Have you ever drunk champagne? Yes I have, no I haven't. Number 4. Sleep in a tent. Do you know the correct question? Have you ever slept in a tent? Yes I have, no I haven't. Number 5. Lose your mobile phone. Do you know the correct question? Have you ever lost your mobile phone? Yes I have, no I haven't. It's your turn now. Number 6. Make a cake. Do you know the correct question? Please write your comment below. Number 7. Win a competition. Please write your correct question below. And last one, write a love letter. Do you know the correct question? Leave your comment below. Win free English lessons. Invite friends to follow my YouTube channel and get a free English lesson with me. Please comment interested. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.